Let us look at the solutions of worksheet 6. I had shared worksheet 6 in my previous video. First question was, write the following numbers in words, international system. For this, first we'll place the number according to the place value chart. Here the digits have been placed according to the place value chart. To write the number, we will look at the number as per periods, that is millions period, thousands period and units period. So in millions period we have digits in 10 million and million column, that is 8 in 10 million and 0 in the million column. So we will read it as 80 million. Then comes the thousands period. In thousands period we have 2, 1 and 4. 2 under 100,000, 1 under 10,000 and 4 under thousands. So we will read it as 214,000. Next we come to the units period. Units period has 7 under hundreds, 0 under tens and 3 under ones. So we will read this as 703. When we put all this together, we get the number named 80,214,703. B part, we will again write the number in the place value chart. Here under millions period we have only 9. So it is going to be 9 million. Under thousands period we have 510. So it is going to be 510,000. And under units period we have 726. So it is going to be 726. When we put all of this together, we will get 9,510,726. C part, we will write the number in the place value table. So that makes our number 84,673,921. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in figures. A. 5,700,040. So first, the units we will take. In units we have only 40 and units has 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, so it will become 040 in the units place. Then we come to the thousands period. In thousands period we have here 700,000. So 700 is there in the thousands period. It will be 700. Then comes millions period. In millions period we have 5 million, which is going to be 005 or just 5. Now we'll put this together. First we'll place the millions on the left, after that thousands and then units and form the number, which will be 5,700,040. Now I have just written the answers. You have understood how we do it. First one I have written the answer. Second one was 18,024,006. So in figures it is going to be 18024,006. C part, 2,350,700. This is going to be 2350700. Roman numerals. Roman numerals are numerals used by the Romans. They use alphabets. And do you know a fun fact? They don't have any Roman numeral corresponding to 0. Their counting starts with 1. Do you remember the board outside your class? It is written in Roman numerals. There are few things you already know about Roman numerals. 7 basic numerals. And they are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Do you remember what they stand for? I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Now rules. There are 3 rules when we speak of Roman numbers: rule of repetition, rule of addition and rule of subtraction. Rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. See the examples here. Roman numeral X. So Hindu Arabic means 10. When we have XX, it means 10 into 2, which is 20. When we have XXX, it means 10 into 3, which means 30. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at the maximum. You cannot have 4 I's together or 4 X together. These symbols can only be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. Look here. X 1 time is 10, X 2 times is 20, X 3 times is 30. But X 4 time is not possible. There we use the rule of subtraction to write 40. We'll come to that. Symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Supposing we have to write 10. We will have to write X. We cannot write 2 V's. So these symbols, that is V, L and D, are not repeated. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. To understand this, let us take here Xi. So X stands for 10, I stands for 1. As per the rule of addition, the number is going to be 10 plus 1, 11. So Xi represents 11. Rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Here I have taken the example Ix. The symbol of smaller value, that is I, is on the left of a symbol of greater value. Greater value is X, which is 10. So since it is on the left, we will minus 1 from 10. It is going to be 10 minus 1. Which will make it 9. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Example 95. You cannot write 95 as 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 means if we write it like this, it becomes VC. It is incorrect. Instead, 95 will be written as 90 plus 5. And for 90 you will write XC and for 5 you will write V. So the number will become XCV. I, X and C are used to subtract. These are just 6 combinations. Points that you have to remember. I is subtracted from V and X only. Second point, V and L are never subtracted. X is subtracted from L and C only. Next point, V and L are never repeated. Now these points you have to learn them and they are important for your understanding of the concept of Roman numbers. You could be asked, fill in the blanks from these statements. Let us take a few examples. Write in Roman numerals 37. Now 37 can be written as 30 plus 7. And 30 is written as XXX and 7 is written as VII. Now we combine them and write XXX VII. Another example 93. 93 will be written as 90 plus 3 and 90 will be written as 100 minus 10. The symbol will become XCIII. What is XCI equal to? XC represents the tens place and I will be in the ones place. XC will mean what? XC is 100 minus 10 and I is 1. So 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 1 is 91. So this gives us XCI is 91. Now Let us do the worksheet to enhance our understanding. Worksheet number 7. Question 1. Write the following in Roman numerals. A. 82. B. 19. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. A. LXIII. B. LXXVII. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. XCII minus XXIX. B. L minus XLII. Here you will convert it into Hindu-Arabic numbers, subtract, and whatever answer you are getting, again convert it back to Roman numbers and then write the answer. Now this brings us to the end of the worksheet. Today's worksheet is over. I have kept it short because you had to do the final worksheet also today. But to improve your understanding, I want you to do one more thing. Write Roman numbers from 1 to 100 in your notebook. This is going to help you tremendously. Final worksheet for you, which is based on the entire chapter number and number systems. Question number 1. There are 9632,142 men, 7412,698 women and 856482 children in a town. Write these numbers in words. Question 2. Write in ascending orders the numbers between 9515378 and 9515382. Question number 3. Write the following numbers in the short form. 9 followed by 6 zeros plus 4 followed by 5 zeros plus 3 followed by 3 zeros plus 500 plus 90 plus 7. B. 2 followed by 6 zeros plus 700 plus 7. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal to. A part 8796542. Other number is 8696542. B. 777777 and the other number here is 7777777. C. 7440,596 and the other number they have given in words 7,440,596. Question 5. Write the following numbers in words. International system 52463998. B. 84267913. Question number 6. Write the following numbers in figures. 17,311,216. B. 11,011,011. Question 7. Write the following in Roman numerals. A. 34. B. 29. 8. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. A. XXV. B. XVX. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. Good luck with your worksheet. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay